From the company that reinvented the whiteboard comes a powerful new display. Now, everyone can contribute to a meeting, from anywhere, on any device. Introducing SmartCap IQ, the display reimagined. Getting started is simple. Just pair your phone, invite your colleagues, and start working. Multi-way inking means that team members can actively engage in the conversation no matter where they are. All you need is a pen or your finger. Taking an idea elsewhere is simple too. Capture, save, and share your work with ease. And pick up where you left off, whenever you like. Cap IQ wasn't just designed to be a whiteboard either. It's also a stunning Ultra HD display with Smart's patented touch and digital ink technology. Which means you don't just have a front-of-room display. Now you have a simple, yet powerful collaboration tool. The kind that keeps your team on the same page, no matter where they are, how they work, or how fast they're moving.